Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather and this is the Supply Junkie. And today I wanted to set up my new Hobonichi so I could start using it and put in like YouTube filming and just my schedule, things that I'm doing during the day. So I've got the orange and black cover from Hobonichi. I've got the 2019 Hobonichi Avec. This is the A6. I have a notebook to write down just ideas, what I want to film, things like that. And then I have a cover on cover from Hobonichi. So we're going to put this all together. First, we are going to open up the A6. If I could get it open. I think what I'm going to do is put this in this back pocket here. On this side, and then I think I'm going to put the notebook over on this side. And if you've never seen one of the notebooks, it has the graph paper, but it has 3 different colors. So it has like a red, a blue here, and then a gray. And it's just lined paper. There's no dates or anything on that. That's all in the planner itself, in the Avec. So I think I'm going to put that over on this side so that when I open it up, I can have the planner on this side and then a notebook on this side. I think it should still lay pretty flat, so if I do it that way. And together, they're the size of a whole year. The Avec is half of a year. I can't find my whole year to show you. I think it's in my Hobonichi box. But this is together a whole year, so this would be just half of a year here. And then the cover on cover goes around the outside cover. I'm doing that backward. Yeah, there we go. So it just slides over the Hobonichi cover, if I could get it in there. Maybe I should put this on first before I put the planner in there. I can get that corner in there. And then it just slides over as like a protective cover for your cover. And I think I'll use this, you know, one for one side, one for the other. And I got these from Hobby Lobby. I got those 2. Then I also got these 2. So I think I'm going to put 2 of these in here to just carry around with me. So I think what I'm going to do is, let's put 1 here. And these work really good. Well, this one's kind of thin, but the alphabet works pretty good to like cut washi and, oops, see, and I bent that one. These ones are really thin, so I don't know if it's the best idea to put in here, but we're going to put it in here anyway. Put it in there. And then I also have, it was an order I placed on Amazon. I got these sticky notes, and I just covered it with like Tim Holtz ephemera just to make it pretty. It was in my other planner, excuse me, but I wasn't using it. So I'm going to put it in here in case I just got to, you know, make a little note of something that I'm doing. I think I'm going to put it right there. And then also for the Halloween, there was some super cute Halloween ones. So I think I am going to put some of these in here because they're adorable. Here, let's do the jack-o'-lantern. And kind of October-fy the planner. So when you open it up, it just got cute October stuff. Let's see. Here, let's put... Oh, yeah, let's put this one here. So you can see the top of Halloween. And then these two twins are girls. This is so cute. So I'm going to put this kind of peeking over the top here. And I have the skeleton, but I don't think he's going to fit. So I'm going to wait and see. Maybe I'll put him in somewhere later. So that's what I'm going to do. This is going to be my setup for my YouTube filming, and the rest of this year's kind of daily planning is going to go in here. And then I'm going to change my Hobonichi weeks into my budget and shopping lists and meal plan. So in my next video, I'm going to come back and I'm going to use the Pretty Pumpkin monthly kit to set up my October, and I will be back in a bit to film that. Thanks, you guys. Bye.